subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Techno has launched its new budget smartphone in Bangladesh called Tecno Pop 6 Pro with a stylish rear panel design. Now let's take a look at the specifications. The Tecno Pop 6 Pro supports a tall 6.6-inch HD Plus display with a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter with LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. The rear panel of the phone houses an AI-featured dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes one 8-megapixel primary camera along with the unknown secondary lens. Under the hood, the Tecno Pop 6 Pro comes powered by an unspecified quad-core processor paired with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage with microSD expansion support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box with HiOS 8.6 skin on top, and it is fueled by a massive 5000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microUSB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.85 by 76.25 by 8.75mm. Now let's see the pricing details of the Tecno Pop 6 Pro smartphone. The Tecno Pop 6 Pro has been priced in Bangladesh at 10,490 Bangladeshi takas, and it will be available for purchase in the country in power black and peaceful blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Tecno Pop 6 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.